Are we live yet? Think so. Yes. Yeah. Okay. What about this one? Wow. No title. What is the title on Twitch? Stream information. Oh yeah. I don't know. Anyway, let me open. Is this? Yeah, like everything is muted. So yeah. I've been drinking coffee and checking hacker news today. I guess one way to bring people here is to actually, I don't know, announce that I'm freaking streaming. Where the freak should I announce that? Maybe, I guess my audience is here, like a large part of my audience. How can I, how can I basically, quick actions. Share that I'm streaming? How? Community. Maybe if I go to my channel, my channel. Yeah, shut up. Yeah. I guess what I can do is tweet about this. Is there like a better link? No, right? No, I think this is the... Maybe I can go, I don't know. Let's bring people from Facebook. Wow, this is really bad, Twitch. Or am I missing metadata? Anyway, This is... Why do I have the... Anyway, let's bring the Facebook audience, which is a little bit, I don't know, on the light side of things, I guess. Let me turn these off. What? I don't know what this is. Anyway. Basically, yeah. So this is from Derek Sievers. Open link in new tab. So yeah, Derek, I follow Derek. He's an author, among other things. I really love his articles and books. And this one is from like a while ago, but like the gist of it is that he writes almost everything using plain text files, right? So he, the argument is that plain text files is one of those formats where it can basically live everywhere, right? Like it can exist on every single platform going way back. And if you use that format, you are basically shielded from, I guess, businesses going out of business, applications that you may be using not working anymore, and things like that. It's basically portable, right? Like you can move it from one system to another pretty easily. It's uncommercial, meaning you are not tied to any single business for that, to use that format. And not only that, but it's flexible. You don't pay any money, right? So for example, if you keep your notes, I don't know, in something like Notion, or I don't know, maybe they have a free plan, but basically most of those services need a subscription, which is another topic, right? Like subscriptions. Wow, subscriptions. I want to move away from subscriptions, basically. And that's another thing that I want to keep talking about. So basically, let me open my... So basically, this is my favorite editor. And what I want to do, though, is open, go to projects, go to Petros, go to default, right? And basically just open the whole thing and close the previous one. And yes, this is like a job application, right? What? Yeah, don't save. I don't know. what's the branch? The branch is main. All right. So let me open a terminal from within and check if anything is, all is fine. Bring all the changes from GitHub. Yeah, when I use my 1Password to unlock the freaking thing. Thank you. And basically, the idea here is like, is pretty close to Derek's one, but it's with a caveat, right? Like I am relying on, I guess, semi-relying on a commercial service, which is GitHub, right? Because that's where the repository is. However, I also keep the repository on my computer, and this is a kind of a backup. Also, I don't believe GitHub will go out of business anytime soon. And if it goes, I still have the, first of all, it probably will probably get some kind of a warning, right? To just get all our stuff from the service. But even if that, doesn't happen, I always have all my repositories synced on my computer. Anyway, the second thing that is like diverging a little bit is that I really love my nodes to be basically markdown format. So I want to create a new file, streaming, and basically just use these. So I guess Petros drinks coffee. Let's streaming. Oh yeah, I want to talk about subscription. So I was I wanted to talk things. I want to talk about subscriptions and moving away from it, and if possible, right? So yes, some subscriptions I wouldn't choose to move away because of the pain of the alternative is pretty much big. So for example, right, one example is the mail service I'm using hey.com from Third Service Signals, and I wouldn't change it for some local or my own server configuration, like setting up email. It's doable, you can do it, but like the pain of going through all that is not basically worth it, at least for me, right? I have chosen a service like Hey, that's pretty much created by a company that has been advertising the idea of until the end of time, when it goes, with about the internet and the company itself, right? So they are creating products and services that live basically almost forever, or at least they cover your own lifetime, which is what you should generally only care about, right? So I don't really care what happens after I die. Sorry, it's a bit selfish, but whatever, man. Anyway, so let's go back to subscriptions. So basically what I want to do, let's get rid of these, and let's get rid of this one as well. yeah, basically what I want to do is, I don't know, I want to like move away from subscriptions, man. So move away. Why? First of all, subscriptions. I've noticed that I've been doing subscriptions for things that I don't end up using, right? So one example of that may be, I don't know. Yeah. So for example, I recently subscribed to a service for streaming on Windows, right? On the Windows, because I've recently bought like a Windows PC, a Beast, to play games and whatnot, but also for my new job, which is being a .NET developer. So I guess one needs a Windows PC for that, fortunately or unfortunately. Anyway, that's another topic for some other time, I guess. So anyway, so the thing is, yeah, I bought this thing and I don't know, I don't like it. It's for a different kind of streaming. It's a lot of like studio heavy things. So now I'm on my Mac, right? And what I'm using is Ecamm, and Ecamm is like great. Like it's, I don't know, it's the most like the easiest way for me to stream. I don't want to deal with technical stuff, like streaming related technical stuff. I'm not generally a professional streamer that has all these, I don't know, the best setup, and need something that can be tweaked to death. And also I just want it to work right out of the box. That's why I like Macs in general and Apple products, mainly because they just work for the most part. Whereas, for example, let me give you an example from my Windows PC experience. By the way, I hadn't used Windows for, I don't know, more than 14 years. And I've recently had to have the experience again. And it wasn't like, it wasn't bad in a way, but I started noticing all these little things that I don't know why they are still a thing. I guess maybe the architecture doesn't help. So for example, I'm using like a, I don't know, HyperX microphone, and I'm using that for, I'm reconnecting it to my Windows PC to use it there. And I noticed in some cases, randomly, I cannot reproduce it consistently. Like the Windows operating system cannot find it, right? Like I'm trying to enter a meeting and it's not there. Whereas it was like previously there, right? Like, I don't know, 10 minutes ago, it was there. And the only way to basically, bring it back is restart my machine, which is of course inconvenient. And I noticed from the error logs that something like crashed, right? Like a driver or I don't know, whatever. Which is like the big, I don't know, drawback generally for ages when you are on Windows machines. Like everything needs their own driver. Drivers sometimes are incompatible with the most recent update of the operating system, or drivers like interfere with other drivers. They crash. I don't know what's going on, right? So that's not an experience that you can describe as it works out of the box. At the same time, if you compare a MacBook and Mac OS in general, like it mostly works out of the box. I'm not saying there are not similar issues there, like some devices need some kind of a software like to support their operation, but I don't know, like I'm using Macs for ages and the experience has been like super great. Anyway, why? Like I have diverged a lot now. So basically, the reason I wanna move away from subscriptions is that I'm not always using some of the things I have subscribed to, right? And the problem with that, right? And why is that a problem? You just forget about all the subscriptions you are not using. And they keep piling up, right? They keep piling up. And why is that a problem? You pay money for nothing. That's it. That's it. You pay money for nothing. And why should I be paying for all that shit that I'm not using? Right? I don't know what's going on. Like, I'm not even watching. Is there anyone on the freaking stream? No, where is the freaking stream? Here. Promotion for your what the okay. Is this because I turned off the promotion of your channel, viewers, followers, views, chatbots? The price is lower. This is basically, this is spam, right? Spam. How do you spam? Is this spam? How do you click to reply? What the what is this? Don't know. What's that? Ban. Timeout. What's mod? Don't even know. Block. Huh? Yeah, I don't know what this thing is, but I like maybe block. Blocking will prevent them from sending you whispers, prevent them from hosting you, prevent, I don't know, block, whatever. I don't know. Yeah, sorry for blocking, but I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah. Where is the chat from live? Basically from live cam. Where is the chat? Where is the chat? Where the hell is chat? No, this is interview. This is comments, right? Yeah, I don't know what the hell this is. Anyway, let's put it here and see how it goes. What? Add a comment. Yeah, ban. Add to broadcast. Ban. Are you sure that you want to block all chat comments? Right? Yeah, I think so. I don't know. Sorry if that's normal on Twitch. So yeah, let's go back to what's this? What's this? Oh, nice. Thank you. Thank you for the promotion, like what was that? Liked, yeah, not retweeted. Maybe a retweet, no, now it's called repost, right? I basically got this message today from Twitter that it's now X, everywhere, like even the, every URL and whatnot. So I'm now like x.com to visit the freaking. Oh, I also got this. I didn't have it. Oh, Grok early access. Jumping from one thing to another, but this is Petros drinking coffee basically, right? It's unstructured. I'm jumping from one thing to another, drinking coffee, okay? If you enjoy that kind of unstructured thing, basic, go shipping and criticizing and, I don't know, being curious about stuff and maybe even learning a thing or two. So early access, Grok early access. This is an early version of Grok. It may confidently provide factually incorrect. Nice. Usage to continuously improve your experience. We may utilize your interactions. All right, got it. Sharing, got it. Grok anything. Hi, I'm Petros. Hello. Let me yeah. All right. What the hell? Why is it breaking like that? Right. So, well, hello there, Petros. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm Grok, the AI with a sense of humor and a rebellious streak. So what can I help you with today? Are you good in other languages except English? Oh, absolutely. I'm not just a one-trick pony. I'm fluent in over 6 million forms of communication, including... What about Greek? Oh, absolutely. I can communicate in Greek too. Γεια σου, πώς σου φαίνεται η μέρα? Hello, how's your day going? What? Yeah, whatever. Can you write me? Oh, all right. So, do you know anything about the song Greece sent to Eurovision 2024? Zari, the Eurovision Song Contest, performed by the talented Marina Sati. The song is a unique blend of traditional and modern elements with lyrics that explore... All right, so can you share the lyrics? What? And let it brings us whatever it wants next. What the I mean the real lyrics. Some of them is Greek. What the fuck? Και αφήνουμε να μας φέρει αυτό που θέλει, και αφήνουμε να μας φέρει αυτό που θέλει, αφήνουμε να μας φέρει αυτό που θέλει, και αφήνουμε να μας φέρει αυτό που θέλει, και αφήνουμε να μας φέρει αυτό που θέλει, αφήνουμε να μας φέρει αυτό που θέλει, κατέρχομαι και ρίχνω σαν ζάρι, και αφήνουμε να μας φέρει αυτό που θέλει, αφήνουμε να μας φέρει αυτό που θέλει. I don't think this is accurate, but let's get the lyrics. Lyrics. Ζάρι. Αυτό είναι. Α, τι λέει? Πέφτω και κυλιέμαι σαν δάκρυ. Πάμε λίγο να μην θυμηθώ τις ώρες που κόντευα να τρελαθώ. Άσε να μην θυμηθώ. Δεν πίστευες το κάρμα ότι είναι αληθινό. Copy. That's not pretty accurate. Here's part of the lyrics. What the hell? Anyway, I'll go back to my notes. I guess visit Grok. All right, so things I want to talk about at some point. Visit, ask it to create an alternative to create, to change, to use Zari and create my dog needing to take a shit three times during a walk instead of just one time. Yeah, folks, this is a thing. I don't know, maybe my dog eats too much for the breed. But when I go out, like I'm expecting my dog to poop just one time, right? But my dog generally poops from like 2 to 3 times. So I need to make sure, like if I have something else to do with my dog, like I need to make sure he's done, right? Like, let's say I want to go and grab some coffee from a shop. I don't want to see my dog like pooping in front of that shop. So I'm first choosing like choosing a route that is, you know, outside of busy streets. Make sure my dog like really empties the shit holder, and then yeah, when I'm sure that he's done, I'm going back to civilization, I guess. Yeah, let me yeah, sorry about that. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. I need to wrap it up. But yeah, this is mostly like, I don't know. This is quite close to what I think Petros drinks coffee is. So if you like this shit, you can join and watch me. And don't be shy. Drop comments and stuff. Let's have a conversation, whatnot. All right. Uh, 16 views, like no comment. Hey people, hey people, hey people. Write something. What do you want to discuss? I don't know. Well, time to go though. Maybe next time. Whatever. All right. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you. Nothing. Everyone is sleeping. I don't know. It's Saturday. So yeah, I basically need to get the hell out and go to the soccer, like football, whatever, football game of my son. And yeah, talk to you next time. Bye. Bye. Finish.